Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make easy pocket envelopes using 6x6, 8x8, or 12x12 papers. But first, let's have our shout out to Debbie, Carol, Diane, Caroline's Craft Tree, Amu, Black Coffee, and Judy. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, you know we all have these paper packs. We have them in all kinds of sizes. We have the 6x6, the 8x8s, the 12x12s, whatever you want to use. If you don't have any paper packs, it's okay too, because just cut your paper into an even square. So whether you choose 4x4, on and on. All right, so now you have it. So right here, I need to remove this header. So let's do that. And so this happens to be an 8x8, just checking to make sure it is. All right, so what we want to do is take and fold two of the corners together, making a triangle. So let's do that. All right, and now let's open it back up, and actually, we're not opening it back up. We're closing it back up. We're going to take the tip of one, and we're going to fold it straight down. Okay, just like this. Now, this pocket envelope has been around for quite some time, but I'm going to do something that I haven't seen the others do with it. So we're going to take this one, and we're going to fold it in like this. And I like to fold it to right where this one starts. So I'm going to fold this in like this. Okay, and then I'm going to fold the other one in right where that one starts at that corner. Alrighty, now this is where I have seen most people stop. They take it and turn this in like this, and then there's their pocket. But this is really, really bulky for me. So what I want to do is open this back up. Before I do, this side right here, not the back side, but this side, I'm going to cut that out. So we're going to remove, and it's going to go like this. We're going to remove this, and we're going to remove this. So we're taking those out. So let's open this back up. So it looks like this. We're taking these out right here, which we've marked with the X. I'm going to bring my scissors in, and we're going to just remove that. That's going to take out so much bulk. Whether you're making this for a junk journal or a scrapbook, or maybe you're doing something like a Happy Mail, or placing something into the pocket other than pieces of journaling paper, like maybe you want to put some money in it. Whatever you choose to do, it's going to cut that bulk out. Now you can have it this way, or you could fold it this way as well. The choice is yours. I personally think I want to go with the way we made it, and that's this way. If you don't like the white here, then you can go ahead and you can bring in either some music paper or maybe some book page. And the way that I think is the easiest way to do it is to just add your glue right onto your flap right here. I need to start setting my glue upside down because I'm getting to where I need another bottle. Okay. So I'm just going to place it. I think I want this right here. I want it to look like that. So I'm going to just place it right there. And then I'm just going to trim this out. Now, if you're conserving paper and such, you probably don't want to go right in the middle of your paper, but for the simple purpose of demonstration, we're going to do it this way. All right, get this free right here. So now it's going to look like this. Isn't that cute with the music on there? So I'm going to do this other side the exact same way. I'm just applying my glue onto my triangle, and then I'm just laying my triangle down onto my paper where I want it to be. I think I want it to be maybe right here, and then just trimming it out. So very simple, very easy way of covering this. Turn it around for me and get this. There we are. I got to trim this a little better right here. All right, but I really like taking the bulk out of that. Now, there's another thing that you can do. You can cover this as well, and then you could have a little tuck spot up underneath here and use this as a tuck spot here, and you could use this side as well, or you could do it like this if you wanted. So you could place it up underneath. What I like to do, instead of doing that, first I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to round this corner. You know, I haven't rounded any of the other corners, but I think I'm going to round that one. I'm going to take a moment and I'm going to ink mine. Now, you don't have to ink yours if you don't, but I'm going to take just a second. All right, I'm all inked up. Now, I actually inked a little bit right there because this doesn't fit well, it does fit exactly, but you can still see a little bit right through there. I just thought it would be nice to go ahead and ink that. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to just go ahead and glue this down right here. Okay, and then I'm going to glue the other side. I have made a few of these for my demonstration after I finished making this one to show you some different variations that you can do with this. And so what I was talking about was you can put another tuck spot right here by doing this, because this right here is another tuck spot. So you can add your tuck without lifting, or if you want to have a secret spot to tuck something in, you can do that as well. But I just think that works very well. You could actually stick a little something like that in there. That's real sweet. So back to the one that we were working on right here. Let's go ahead and let's decorate this a little bit. Now, maybe it would be fun. Now, this is not a cream. This is a white. This is a cream. This might look better if I add this instead. You could make it pretty ruffly and add some ruffles on here. I think I'd like to do that. So I think I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to use this. I was going to do something different. I do think I ought to cut this down though. I think this is a little big for this size that we're working with. So I'm going to just trim this down. And yeah, I like that size a little bit. I haven't done anything up here in any of my examples. Shall we go ahead and maybe do something up here? I'm just at a loss of exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to just lay some glue right down here. I'm going to lay this on top, and I'm going to take my little card and I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of a ruffle going on here. Not a lot. I don't want it heavily ruffled, I should say. Oh, that's very sweet. I like that. It's going to grab it. This is what I'm looking for. So you can see that. There you go. There's not that much left going on the other side. but I do have more of this lace. So let's go ahead and let's turn the corner with it, go as far as we can. I don't know how far we're going to get with it, but I'm going to have to try to fix this top part by gathering it. Oh, that worked nicely. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. I might be able to put something there and not have to worry about getting any more lace. Just maybe, okay, so we'll say we've run out of lace. So maybe we want a little flower right here. And maybe we want some more lace. Like I have that extra lace that I cut off. Maybe we could do something like this. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's go ahead and glue this tip down right there. Get that tip glued down. I'm going to put some glue right here. And I'm going to just kind of gather that, just like that. Okay. Oh, that's going to fix that problem right there. And do I want something else? I'm thinking I want a little more something here. All right, I grabbed a little light pink satin ribbon, and I thought maybe we could put a little bow right here to, I don't know, just kind of help jazz it up there on the corner. And I'm just going to cut another little piece to tie this off. So I'm just going to tie this off. So let's see if I can get this. There we go. There we are. Another little knot here. Now let's see if it's even. Even on both sides? Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, so, oh yeah, that's just what it needed. All right, so let's go ahead and put a little bit of glue right here. And then let's add a little bit more. And add our pretty little flower that we made in a video together not too long ago. I think that was a video that I went a little wild and crazy. I got so excited. Oh, okay, so now we've got that. Now let's go ahead and make that little pocket right down below here. I have just a little piece right here that I'm going to just, I'm just putting this here so I can get this, I can eyeball where I want to lay this because I don't have a lot of time with the hot glue. That's the only downfall with this hot glue, is that you don't have a lot of time. All right, we've got that down, and we've got a little thing to stick inside, and another one. Oh my goodness, is that not adorable? And then of course we can stick some of our other little pieces up in here, maybe like that, maybe even like that. Oh my goodness, you guys, isn't that absolutely adorable? Quick and easy. Here's that other one that I made. Oh, I love the yellows. And here's one that I made and stuck a fussy cut in there. Oh my goodness gracious. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.